Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about the best gaming desktop, and keep watching this video if you are after the best gaming PC to give you a buttery smooth gaming performance and amazing graphical detail. This is new Alienware Aurora R10 gaming PC. It offers blisteringly fast performance and easy upgradability within an attractive, unique design. It's Aurora's design that aligns with the clean aesthetic from the company's gaming laptops, and its concave front panel and surplus of vents kind of make it look like a giant space heater or air purifier, and is optimized for better airflow. The RGB lighting is located on an ovular strip on the front panel, as well as on an Alienware logo on the right side. This lighting is both more prominent and more attractive than it was in the old design, and you can customize it to your heart's content with the Alienware Command Center software. It packs just about any connection you would need for gaming and creating content, with all manner of peripherals and displays. If you are looking for an AMD-powered gaming PC that can be configured with incredibly powerful components, and can be upgraded hassle-free down the line, the Aurora R10 Ryzen Edition is among the best in its class. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Corsair One i160 Compact Gaming PC. This gaming PC proves size doesn't matter. More powerful than most full-sized gaming desktops, this 12-liter package decimates 4K games. Across its extreme price range, the new Corsair One faces several strong rivals but always comes out on top with better hardware for a noticeably higher price. It is a stunning gaming machine with 2mm thin metal plates that meet to create angular lines, and the top of the unit caps off with tall, diagonal fins. The unit's entire chassis looks beyond modern, and its thin lighting lanes only help accentuate this aesthetic with callbacks to Tron. Although the Corsair One i160 might look exactly like the Corsair One Elite that came before it, there are a few new bells and whistles on this mini gaming machine. Such as this miniature rig gains RGB lighting on its front facade, whereas the previous models only had blue lights that could only be programmed to customizable patterns. Its power supply has been moved to better isolate the PSU from the two most heat-generating components. Also, the hard drive has been relocated from the side of the PC to an easier-to-reach tray sandwiched between the Corsair One i160's motherboard and power supply. The Corsair One i160 completely outclasses the last generation Corsair One Elite, and also the graphical power has seen a bump up as well, thanks to NVIDIA's new all-new Turing architecture, which increases in frequency, and adding faster GDDR6 memory. It is one of the most impressive gaming desktops, not only because of its compact size but also the unrelenting performance you can squeeze out of it. The Corsair One i160 might be expensive, but putting together a system with as many liquid-cooled components will set you back for about the same cost, and you will never be able to put together a gaming PC this small yourself. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is MSI Trident X, a gaming PC. It looks great, doesn't take up much space, and runs demanding games at top settings. It is a perfect example of you get what you pay for in the world of gaming PCs. From design and performance perspectives, it's hard to ask for more than what the Trident X offers, such as a striking, compact chassis with powerful enough hardware to run the latest and greatest titles in gorgeous 4K resolution. It is essentially a rectangular box, although it has some unexpected angles on the front, top, and sides, making it look a little like a modern art piece, and on the front, there are two triangular LEDs. On the left, there is a vent that showcases an RGB fan, and on the right, there is a swappable panel, depending on whether you prefer opaque plastic or clear glass. It has plenty of ports. On the front, you get USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 3.5mm audio jacks. On the back, you get 5 USB-A ports, 1 Thunderbolt USB-C port, 5 audio ports, 1 optical audio port, 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port, and an Ethernet port. It comes with a fairly clean installation of Windows 10, with just some extra MSI programs, and a Norton security suite. To control Trident X's lighting, and monitor its performance, MSI Dragon Center is a decent enough program. Between its cool appearance, and strong performance, this machine earns a solid recommendation because of its powerful performance, quiet cooling, smart, compact design, and ease to take apart. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Omen by HP Obelisk Gaming Desktop Computer. If splurging on a gaming PC is your next investment move, the HP Omen Obelisk is a powerhouse to consider. For something so simple, the HP Omen Obelisk is surprisingly attractive, and with its glass side window, an obelisk-inspired facade trimmed with the Renegade Omen logo, it's got a lot of style in its otherwise straightforward chassis. This is an appealing gaming PC that isn't so over-the-top in its gaming aesthetic that it ends up looking gaudy. Those who are more partial to over-the-top gaming looks might find the HP Omen Obelisk's aesthetic a tad underwhelming. You can upgrade to a glass side panel so you can show off the innards, spotlighted by the RGB lighting on the chassis ceiling. The facade has its upper and lower sections tapered, reminiscent of the type of monument it's named after, with the RGB-lit Omen logo etched on the upper section, and both spots are customizable with the Omen Command Center software. The side panel pops open effortlessly. All you need to do is press the large, textured button on the back. This gives you easy access to the interior, especially if you would like to upgrade or customize. It is an excellent, future-proofed gaming machine that looks good, and feels good in-game. It is the best gaming computer for its appealing tool-less design, lots of power, and highly upgradable. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video, and hope this video was helpful in finding gaming desktop that suits your needs. The links for more information are in the description below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.